Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. Buttery and flaky sausage rolls, generously filled with pork mince, bacon, sage, and juicy Granny Smith apples. Cozy yet so gourmet. Let's start with frying the bacon. I got here 200 grams of streaky bacon, roughly diced. We want 15 sage leaves. I just love how they smell. Perfect with pork. Roll them up and chop them thinly. Next, a small red onion, diced finely. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Add in the bacon and fry until brown. This looks just about right. Let's add the onions. In goes 3 cloves of minced garlic. Now, let's add these aromatic sage leaves. Stir to release the wonderful aromas and flavors. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Then transfer onto a plate to cool. Let's move to the pork and apple filling. Peel and core to small Granny Smith apples. Grate the apples. Then squeeze the juice out. This will help the pastry stay crispy. Time to mix everything together. 500 grams of pork mince. In goes the grated apples. Next, a cup of panko breadcrumbs. Let's also throw in the bacon, onion, garlic and sage mix. Then 2 large eggs. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Half a teaspoon of salt. And half a teaspoon of pepper. Let's mix all the ingredients together. I like to use my hands to do this. I'm using store-bought frozen puff pastry. They've just thawed, so they're easy to work with. We're making 2 large sausage rolls, so that means we only need 2 sheets. Place half of the filling onto the center of the pastry. Then shape neatly. Make sure the filling reaches the edge of the pastry. Fold one side of the pastry over. Then fold the other side to enclose the filling. Prepare a large tray with non-stick baking paper. Place the rolls on the tray, with the folds facing down. Give them space as they'll puff up. For the egg wash, whisk an egg until smooth. Brush the egg over the sides and on top of the pastry. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of black sesame seeds over the egg wash. Then, bake for 45 minutes or until golden brown, and the filling is cooked through. These delicious sausage rolls are family-friendly and are great for picnic and lunch boxes. Visit me at 3catsfoodie.com. You'll find a written recipe with a clear, step-by-step guide and tips. I have also converted the cooking measurements so it's user-friendly. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.